Alright, let's enter the cave. The subway cave. Ready? Headlamp on.
Go with another flashlight.
Yeah, it is very dark here, so make sure you bring a headlamp or a flashlight if you come. Because if I turn off, well, right now it's still, you got some light from the opening. But you really do need a flashlight here to see, and I've got a headlamp on my head. There's water dripping from the ceiling. It is not lava, it is just water.
And is this going to trip down from the cave? Let's do drip down. Water dripping down from the cave.
Make sure you bring sturdy walking shoes if you come, because
They're not holes to make water drip.
the floor is pretty uneven, and you don't want to stub a toe if you're wearing flip-flops.
Daddy, can you flash me?
Okay. See, look, if I turn off the headlamp, pitch black.
This is the
Come on.
This is the